Hello, and welcome to my channel, Mr. Auto. A great sounding supercar can turn a lot of heads, and many people love supercars because of the sound that they make. Determining the best sounding supercar is as difficult as choosing a favorite pizza topping. However, in this video, we have narrowed down the list to the best sounding supercars of all time. Number 1. Porsche Carrera GT. Porsche Carrera GT features a 5.7-liter V10 engine that produces 603 horsepower. Thanks to the naturally aspirated engine, Porsche Carrera GT can produce a mesmerizing sound from its twin exhaust pipes. Number 2. Lexus LFA. Lexus LFA is a Japanese supercar powered by a 4.8-liter V10 engine producing 550 horsepower. The triple exhaust system of this car is tuned by Yamaha, hence enabling it to create a perfect engine note. Number 3. Pagani Zonda Revolution. Pagani Zonda Revolution contains a 6-liter V12 engine, capable of producing 740 horsepower. This car contains a Formula 1-style exhaust system, managing to create a throaty scream, and exhaust pops and bangs. Number 4. Aston Martin Vulcan. Aston Martin Vulcan features a massive 7-liter V12 engine, capable of putting out 820 horsepower. The high-pitched scream of the V12 engine, and the lovely sound of its exhaust system, can draw attention from a mile away. Number 5. Lamborghini Aventador SVG. Lamborghini Aventador SVG, containing a 6.5-liter V12 engine. Lamborghini Aventador SVG is an incredibly loud supercar. If you listen to it roar, you will definitely love it. So, these were some of the best sounding supercars that definitely roar like a lion. If you have enjoyed the video, kindly like it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell to get updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.